Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have for this video another subscription box for October. This time is gonna be my glossy box. The box comes as usual with this pink color and the black print. Let's see what we have for October. As usual with the black bow. I can't wait to see if they will have a limited edition box for holidays. I hope so, because the last year one was really nice. We have the card in here, and this is Glossy Retreat. Coming soon for all skincare and K-beauty lovers. This one's for you. We are excited to announce the launch of our next limited edition. So I remember that I ordered this box. It's kind of hit me. I remember that I ordered this box a while ago, but I completely forgot about this one. So anyway, they are talking here about that box, the limited edition, and I have to go back on their website and see what happened with that box, because I didn't receive it. This one is the subscription box, and we have their logo here. Gosh, I completely forgot about that box. Anyway, here is the box inside. Oops. And the first thing in here, it's invisible. This one looks like this. It's different than those plastic hair rings. Comes in this pretty nice color. Not something for every age, I would say, but anyway, is this product, and says here that colors will vary. About this one, it's exclusive at Sephora. Sprunky, or whatever's the name. This one is $8. Bringing the 80s back. The invisible gives you the blast from the past look you want with the modern technology you need. The integrated spiral hair ring prevents tugging and pulling while keeping your hair in place, giving you the ultimate in comfort without sacrificing style. So this is the first product in here. Then we have a candle that I love is the Toka Salt Air Cucumber, and this one smells so beautiful, but I feel like smells more beautiful if you don't burn it. Yeah, it's a beautiful fresh scent. This one is a deluxe sample, if we can say that. Comes in with 1.2 ounce, which is 34 grams. Is this one. About this one, a full size, it looks like this and burns really nice. This one in the full size, it's $42 in 10 ounce. Sultry air, cucumber and seagrass come together for the perfect handcrafted scent to add the air of indulgence to your bathroom routine. Once you've burned your candle all the way down, use the glass container as a jewelry holder. Never thought about that. Or a decorative addition for around your house. I don't know how many of those I was throwing away. To get the most out of your candle every time you burn it, trim the cotton wick after each use. This ensures you'll maximize your scent diffusion for the ultimate dose of relaxation. So love this one. Always get this one in boxes, and happy with that. Then we have in here this one, and this one is from Royal Apothec. Is the scrubby sugar lip scrub, and this one comes in 18 grams. About this one, the full size, it's $14 and it's 0.63 ounce. And is this one is the full size, and this one alone is 14. Made with natural sugars, Royal Apothetics Lip Scrub exfoliates your lips, leaving the silky smooth to the touch. Leaving them silky smooth to the touch. With the flavoring you'll want to sneak a taste of. This scrub is powerful enough to even rid your lips of all your odd bad dates. Massage a small amount onto your lips in a circular motion. By moving the scrub in circles, you increase your chances of getting rid of all the unwanted dry skin without irritating your lips. I like sugar scrubs. Then we have in here, we have this guy. It's Supreme Revitalizing Mask. Probably it's a hair mask. Yes, intense moisture for all hair types. It's from Peishao. This one in this size, this is a full size. It's $14 and comes with 1.7 fluid ounce. Bring weightless bounce and volume to your hair with Peishao Signature Tea Complex, a mixture of 5 different kinds of teas. The blend protects, repairs, exfoliates, nourishes and strengthens hair all at once. Nourishing damaged cuticles, this hair mask will make your hair shine. After applying a generous amount to your hair, use a wide tooth comb to brush through your hair from root to tip. This helps ensure the mask gets applied to every last strand of hair. So a hair mask in full size. And we have here 2 more products, and one of them is Georgette Cleansure Rose Clarifying Toner in 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 ounce. About this one, the full size in 6.7 ounce, it's $26. I think I got a while ago one of these in a Birchbox. A botanical blend of which has antioxidants and aloe vera dissolves dirt to keep clean your pores while maintaining healthy hydration and pH balance. Not only does it clean your skin, but rose, lavender and jasmine flower extract help keep the grease off your face through the day. That sounds good for me, at least for me with oily skin. To maximize benefits, applies twice a day with a cotton ball or pad. When the cotton comes up clean, you're ready to apply your favorite hydrating cream. So let's see how this one smells. It has very light. It's a very light and fresh scent, which I like. So it's a toner in a good size, 50 milliliters. The last product in here, of course, it's a nail polish. This one in a pretty pink pearlescent color is this one right here. And about this one is from Nails Inc. Victor Replaced Nail Polish, full size 50 milliliters, which is this one. Bringing the nail salon to the comfort of your home. Exclusive brush is designed to work with the shape of your nail, giving you a flawless finish with tons of beautifully rich colors to choose from. You'll love the glossy, long-lasting color that comes in every bottle. Probably the color will vary. Wait for the first coat to dry completely before applying a second coat, about 2 minutes. Polish adheres better to a dry layer, meaning your manicure will last longer. So the shade of this one is pretty nice. I will try to show you. So here is the lid. The color is pretty nice. It's a color that everybody can wear. Smells pretty nice also. Here is the color of this one. I don't know how much you can see from this one, but so far this will look very pretty in 2 coats. So a nail polish, I don't know how many we got in the Glossy Box. I cannot even count them, but anyway, it is what it is. It's a pretty nice one in a full size. So that's kind of all for the glossy box for October. I will go check online the other limited edition box that I bought, because I completely forgot since I placed the order. So yeah, if I will get that box, I will show it to you. In the meantime, let me know what do you think about the glossy box for October. I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.